My name is Professor Bala Dogo. I teach geography at Kaduna State University, Department of Geography and Sustainability Studies. And I'm also the volunteer coordinator of Care and Action Research, a non-governmental organization here in Kaduna. This particular video is on various strategies of promoting local solutions for innovative smart agriculture, climate smart agriculture, and then how to fast track the yielding of high value economic trees like mangoes, oranges, avocado, pear, and so on and so forth within a very short period, like 12 months. So by so doing, many of us have parent stock of trees like mangoes in our homes. So what we don't know is that we are living on stupendous wealth. We can cut them and graft them into various species. Like on this particular video, Silas is one of those people we work with. He's going to demonstrate how to graft as much as 10 varieties of mangoes under a particular tree. And then he's also going to show us how to graft 5 varieties of oranges under a particular tree. By so doing, you are going to maximize the use of space, and he's going to use only sacks or little containers to do it. By so doing, you can make use of the space you have in your various gardens to create wealth for ourselves, provide food, fruits throughout the year for our households, and then also sell. So I hope you have time to really have this hands-on training. And then if you come to us too, we are willing to train you on how to graft. Then we have top grafting, we have site budding, and so on and so forth.
My name is Silas, or they call me Uncle C. I have my flower garden in Command Junction, Kaduna here. This is a mango with different species, different varieties. Here we can see this one is Tommy, this one is Ex Borno, this is John Bull, this is Albert Kawa. Here with me in my hand, this is a kit. We call this species of mango kit, and I want to do top grafting on top of this place. This is how you go about the top grafting. You make sure you have a sharp object, either with a blade or sharp knife. Make sure it's very, very sharp. See, so you now cut the two sides, and you make sure it's in between. Cut the in between gently, and that's how you go about the top grafting. Like this, you see, this is how you go about top grafting. Look for nylon again, tie it. As you are tying it, make sure it's tight very well, draw it very well, tie it very well at the top, because it will need heat, to develop very fast, so that by the time it hits there, it will not sprout from here. And this is how you put the nylon. Look for nylon like this, cover it like this, and you tie it this way again.
With what?
With rubber band. This is rubber band. Tie it like this, By the time you notice that starts sprouting here, that's when you remove this nylon. This is what we call top grafting. I want to do what we call side grafting, and this is how you go about the side grafting. You make sure you open it this way, lift up the skin, or you cover there, you cut this place first. See, you lift up the skin this way. Scion, this is how you peel the scion. It's being peeled only but one side, not like the top one. The top one is being peeled the both two sides, but the top one is being peeled the both two sides, but the side one is only peeled one side. And this is how you peel it, this way. This way. You now gently, quite slowly push it this way. See, slowly push it this way. This way. Tie it like this, like this, like this way. See? And in between here, you make sure you put nylon.
Okay.
This is an orange in the sack. You can see it has fruit on it. It is side grafting. I want to do top grafting on the same orange. The name of this orange is Tanjalo, while the one in my hand is Washington. I want to do top grafting. This is how you go about it. You cut up this side like this, shaping this two side. You gently fix it this way. Small pieces. Small pieces. You will tie it this way. See? Make sure it's been tied very well, like this. Like this. Top grafting. If you want to do side grafting, this is how you go about it. You silently, gently cut off the skin this way. You lift up the skin. You lift up the skin, both two sides like this. This is what we call the scion of an orange. You remove the bud this way. See? You remove the bud this way. This is a bud of orange. You make sure you fix it this way. If you mistakenly push it this way, it will die. But if you put it well, like this, you see, this is how you go about. This is how you do side grafting of an orange. You look for nylon as well, like this.
So I wish you a successful win, and then the in thing is that you have to try and experiment. There's also what we call air layering. Through air layering, you can make a mango tree to produce in less than 12 months. You go to a mango with a very big species or a species that you want, then you cut it. There's this kind of scraping you will do, and then put a bandage of leather, cover it. It's going to root in a month's time. So you now cut it and put it in a small container. It's going to continue to produce. So even at the top of the roof, you can plant trees. By so doing, you are greening the environment, and then you're also promoting food sustainability, food security for everybody. Thank you.